Hey guys, how you going? I hope you're all doing well out there and taking care of yourself. So my little man is here. Hello, my beautiful. How was your sleep last night? Dear, did you finally go to sleep? Yeah. No. Yeah, you were flying around the room last night, weren't you? Yes. I had to come in several times, didn't I, mister? Yes, you'd be tired today, won't you? Hey? Yeah? Be tired, Mr. Boy? Be tired? Yeah. Hey? What are you doing? Hey? What are you doing? Step up. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Did you have a rough night? Yeah, was she annoying you? Yeah. Hey? My beautiful boy? Yeah, did you have a bad night like Mum? Yeah. Very cold this morning, wasn't it? Yeah, were you cold? Yeah. I was cold this morning. Did you get cold? Hey? Yeah. Mom's been cold. Yeah. I can feel the cold coming, can't we? Echo, what are you doing? What are you doing in the towel? Yeah. Where are ya? Where's Echo? Where's Echo? You hiding? Where are you? Oh, Peekaboo. Where's Echo? Hello. Yes, I found you, didn't I? Yeah, what are you doing in the towel? You're such a beautiful girl. Yeah, you're playing. Where's Echo? Where is she? Where's Echo? Peekaboo! There's Echo. What's she doing in there, buddy? Yeah? Is she hiding? Is she hiding under the towel? Yeah? Say peekaboo. Say I see you, Echo. Hello, Echo. Alright guys, well have a great day and hope you all take care of yourselves, and I'm going to hang out with my little man. He's very quiet today. Thanks guys, have a great day.